Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and edit video on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So there's an application on MacBook that is completely free and you can use it to edit videos. And it is called the iMovie. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and open App Store. If you don't know how to go ahead and look for it, you can just press Command plus space and search for App Store here and then just launch it. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead on the search bar and search for iMovie. Finally, simply click on this right over here, download and install this onto your device, and now you can click on open. Once you've done that, let it just go ahead and open for a bit. As you can see, it is open. Now click on continue. You can click on get started and click on create new project and click on creating a movie. And then all you need to do is simply go ahead and import your media right by allowing access and just go ahead and get any video footage that you have. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. Okay. And click on import selected, and now you can just drag and drop it right here to the timeline, and now you can simply start editing it by cutting it if you want to. You can also go ahead and play around with it however you like. See, there are so many tools right over here. So there are multiple tools like crop, and there's also other tools like stabilize. There's also colors, there's reduce background noise, audio, bunch of other things that you can see right over here. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.